Okay, so Tina, we're going to study minors right now. This is lesson 1, and we're going to start with G minor, and we're going to go to A minor, and then we're going to go to B minor. Okay, so here's what it looks like, and here's what it sounds like. That's G minor. And the A minor. A minor. B minor. So now we're going to go back to G minor, and I'll show you how to trust the notes of the F major scale. This is all G minor. See, I'm just trusting the notes. These are all, in the right hand, these are all notes of the F major scale. I know that's a little fast, but just trust the notes. Do the same thing in A minor. So that's how you would apply those major scales, which is the major scale, one whole tone beneath the minor. And that's a starting point, okay?